Okay, so nowadays a lot of people work behind a computer. There's a lot of content creators and a lot of people that use this right here, right? They got to use a computer for work or whatever, and they need a camera. And let's face it, like the webcams are okay, but they're not great quality, right? Not something like this where you could do something such as this and kind of like blurry a little the background and kind of have a really beautiful picture, right? You can't do that with a regular webcam. In many cases, you're gonna have to upgrade to a regular camera. But how? How do you put a camera into the computer, right? That's a question that a lot of people have. Well, there is a couple things that I'm going to share with you in this video. Definitely let me know what you think down in the comment section below. You could do it for really not that much money. And by the way, if you're new here to the Content Creator Tool channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let me know what you think here in this channel. We do videos that is going to help you become a better creator. We show you some tools such as this that I'm about to show you right here. It really doesn't cost that much money in order to help you out make better videos, right? So again, one of the things that I have here in the channel, one of my favorite thing is my video mixer. And you're going to see it right here. You see me right here. And now you see me kind of right here. And I could quickly do this, right? So I could switch cameras very, really easy. I have the switcher right here. It's the 18 mini. And by the way, it's about, close to 300 bucks or something like that. So it's really not that expensive in order to do that. And in fact, you could bring 4 different inputs into the video. But the reality is that not everybody's going to spend that money, right? Some people just want to do something really simple. Maybe you don't need to have multiple camera. You just need to have one camera. And this is where this come to play. Now, there are many in the market out there, right? And some of them from Stream Deck or Elgato are pretty good. I have had the Cam Link and it have done well, but it costs a lot more money. This one is less than 20 bucks, really less than 20 bucks. And this is what you have here is a video capture card. So essentially what this is doing is that it's capturing the signal from your camera and bringing it into your computer. Now, one thing that you got to know is obviously you need to have a connection. This is HDMI to your mini HDMI or HDMI, and you need to have a camera that is clean HDMI. Essentially, you don't want to see the battery and all those percentage all over the place. But if you have that, which nowadays a lot of cameras are, you're going to be all right. And in fact, I'm going to use my cell phone here to demonstrate. There is applications that allow you to remove all the little thingies around the cell phone, and it makes it a clean HDMI. So I'm going to make it really simple. This is the video capture card. There's going to be links down below, all this equipment that I have for you guys to, check it out and all that. And by the way, I'm going to demonstrate it with a cell phone. So if you have a cell phone, it's going to be pretty simple for you guys to follow. So I got the HDMI right here, right? So it's connected right there. And then in this side, right, this is the side that is going to be connected to your camera. Whatever port you have in your camera, you're going to have to figure that out. But I'm going to have a cell phone, so I'm going to put it right here. I love this thing from Apple. Allows you to bring this connection into the cell phone. And if you see right here, you could also connect power into that, right? So again, I have this. Now I'm going to connect it to the cell phone right here. Now, obviously, this part is going to get attached to the computer. So let me demonstrate it for you guys. Just very, very simple. The video capture card is connected here to the computer. You have your HDMI cable coming into my camera, which in this case is going to be my cell phone. So from there, just real quickly, I switch my cameras and now I could be showing you this right here. Look how clear that is, right? So again, the video capture card is allowing me to do this. I could go all over my desk. Here is my 18 mini right here. Here's my Elgato right here. Got my iPad right here. Just giving you a little demonstration right there. I'm loving this mouse, by the way. This thing is just really, really fantastic. So I'm coming back into my main camera, and here I am talking to you guys. So again, for about, less than 20 bucks, video capture card, obviously you're going to need your HDMI cable. Add up some more money into that, connected to your camera. If you're going to use your cell phone, you're going to need one of these things. And again, very, very simple. You could bring a high quality camera into your live stream or into your meetings or into whatever you do in content creation or whatever. Let me know what you think. Put comments down below. We definitely see you in the next video.